Yeah. Only once the drugs are done, I feel like. Welcome back, guys, to Chef RJ So Susan Moore. Today, we're back to do a mukbang. There's the burgers. I kind of put the bun on there before showing you guys. My bad. I'm sorry. Oh. Gotta have chips with a nice juicy hamburger. I prayed over it. I'm eating barbecue. Thank God I didn't have nothing in it. Okay. There it is. 2 juicy hamburgers. First bite go to you guys. Okay. This is perfect. Look at it. Now that's how a burger should be made. So how's everybody's day so far? If I'm wrong about Monday, I'm sorry. It gotta be Tuesday. I don't know. I'm lost in my days. All I do is grind, sit here at home, watch anime, and watch movies, and be here with you guys. I love it. And if you're new, please subscribe to the channel. A damn good burger. Putting cheese on a hamburger, it takes it up a notch. You know what I would love to try on a hamburger if I had the money, because I know they're expensive as hell. Some truffles. All I'm missing is a nice cold cup of beer. When you make a juicy burger, you should have a nice cup of beer. Watch some basketball, football, soccer. For my Australia family, rugby. It's hot as get up. That was a damn good burger. I'm sorry. Some truffles, some mushrooms, and some American cheese. Guys, I wish you could taste this burger, man. So good. I don't think this is Angus. I think it's just regular hamburger meat. But another good hamburger meat to use is Angus. Or if you really want something good, try some Dairy Burger. Oh. Some Dairy Burger, man. Oh, man. So good. So good. What's the best burger you guys ever ate? Leave that down in the comments below. With that being said, guys, woo! That was a good dinner. I ate dinner early. Get it out the way. Till next time, guys, I love you. To all my family, I love you. To all my new family, I love you. And to the family to soon to come, I love you. and I'm out. Peace.